Hello and welcome to this tour of number 30 Plymouth Avenue here in Woodley. This is the house behind me, which is a 3-bedroomed mid-terrace. You can see the garage is on site at the front of the house. And just to give you a little bit more information about the location, this is an end of cul-de-sac. I'm just going to spin round there. You can see the end of cul-de-sac. Let me just do a full circle. Property's in front, and that's the entrance coming into Plymouth Avenue. So we are within less than a 5-minute walk of Earley Railway Station, and literally just over to my left here we've got shops and of course Southlake with all of the surrounding woodland. So let me take you inside and we'll give you a tour. So let's go through the front door into the entrance porch. So the entrance porch has a door here leading into the garage, a door to the WC just there, and then doorway through to the main entrance hall. Now whilst I'm here, I'm just going to show you the garage to start with. So like I said, we've got a direct door into the garage. So single garage, we've got an electric roller door at the front, and side window, just tip to the side there as you can see. And then just coming round, we've got the boiler here, gas-fired boiler, Worcester Bosch. So that's the garage. Now let's have a look at the property itself. So first of all, just starting here with the downstairs WC. There's the low level WC with a wash basin in the corner. And then from this entrance porch, we step into the entrance hall. As you can see, staircase there leading to the first floor. We've got a door in front of us to the lounge and a door on the right to the kitchen. I'm just going to step back here, spin all the way around. There's the entrance porch, and then we've got a very deep built-in storage cupboard just here. So as we're at the front of the house, let's start with the kitchen. So granite effect work surfaces, lots of eye-level units on the left there and base units. Full-length work surface on the right with the sink. Let's just give you an idea of the view out the front. That's the side of the garage there, and you can see we've got an additional parking space in front of the lawn, so parking for 2 cars as well as the garage. UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows and also gas radiator central heating. So that's the kitchen, and then here we've got a lounge diner. Nice sized room. Let's just spin all the way around, give you an idea of the dining area. And additional area over there. We've got a very deep understairs storage cupboard just here. UPVC double glazed window, and then of course you can see French doors opening onto the rear garden. As you can see, very private aspect, really nice. I'll show you the garden at the end of this tour. So let's now just take you upstairs and show you the first floor. So we're on the landing here. We've got a door to the right to the bathroom, and then 3 bedrooms. There's 1, 2 and the 3rd here. Let's start with the main bedroom at the front here. As you can see, we've got a double bed in situ, so you can probably tell the size of this room. I'm just going to spin round here because we've got freestanding wardrobes, so obviously wardrobe space just there. Back onto the landing. 2nd bedroom, this is at the back, and let me just step to one side so you've got a full idea of this room. There is a built-in wardrobe just there, and rear aspect window. In fact, I'm just going to step forward, just give you an idea of just what we have out the back here. You can see the rear garden, and moving across, green area over there. Rather nice view out the back of this house. So that's the 2nd bedroom. We've then got the 3rd bedroom at the back as well, which is this one here. It's got a single bed in the room at the moment. Rear aspect window is there. And then finally the bathroom. This has been refitted, nice modern white suite. Rather smart. Panel bath with a shower over the bath. Let me just spin around and show you the shower. A lot of tiling as well. There's the wash basin with the vanity covered under. Load of obviously heated towel rail, and then just on my right hand side, just here, this cupboard. This is the airing cupboard. So that's the first floor. I'll now take you outside and show you the garden. Okay, so through the French doors into the garden. As we've already said, very private aspect at the rear. You can see the rear gate. That leads to an alleyway which just takes you around to the front. Just going to turn around and show you the front of the house. Sorry, show you the rear of the house, I should say. Unfortunately, we've got the sun shining straight at us, so apologies for that. You can just spot next door is extended, so clearly that shows the potential that you've got here. Full width patio. So there we have it, a 3-bedroom mid-terraced, nice condition, lovely spot, no onward chain as well, empty property. So if you'd like to know more details, my name's Gary, please give us a call, the number's on the website, same number if you'd like to book a viewing. Just remains me to say thank you for watching.